Moisture and mold are two of the most common hidden problems homeowners face, especially in older or poorly sealed homes. They don't just affect comfort, they can damage your property, lower indoor air quality, and even impact your family's health. One of the most effective and often overlooked ways to combat these issues is window replacement. Modern replacement windows do far more than improve appearance. They play a critical role in keeping moisture out and creating a healthier indoor environment. Why moisture problems often start at the windows. Windows are one of the most vulnerable points in any home's exterior. Over time, older windows can develop small gaps, cracked frames, or worn-out seals. These issues allow rainwater, humidity, and outside air to seep indoors. Even when water isn't visibly dripping inside, moisture can still enter through condensation buildup or tiny air leaks that go unnoticed for years. When moisture lingers around window frames or inside walls, it creates the perfect breeding ground for mold. Mold spores thrive in damp, dark areas, and once they take hold, they can spread quickly and silently. How replacement windows stop moisture at the source. New window replacement addresses moisture problems by creating a tight, weather-resistant seal around your home. Modern windows are designed with advanced sealing systems, multi-pane glass, and durable frame materials that block out water and humidity. High-quality replacement windows are installed with precision to eliminate gaps and weak points. This prevents rainwater from entering during storms and reduces the amount of humid outdoor air that can sneak inside. With less moisture getting in, the risk of mold growth drops significantly. Reduced condensation means less mold risk. Condensation is another major contributor to mold, especially during temperature changes. Older single-pane windows or windows with broken seals often allow warm indoor air to meet cold glass surfaces, causing water droplets to form. Replacement windows use insulated glass and improved thermal performance to keep interior glass surfaces closer to room temperature. This reduces condensation buildup on the glass and surrounding frames. Less condensation means fewer damp areas where mold can grow, particularly in kitchens, bathrooms, and bedrooms. Improved ventilation and airflow control. Many modern replacement windows are designed to improve ventilation while still maintaining a secure seal when closed. Features like tilt and sashes or easy open designs allow homeowners to control airflow more effectively. Proper ventilation helps remove excess indoor humidity from everyday activities like cooking, showering, and laundry. When moisture levels stay balanced, mold struggles to survive. Replacement windows give you better control over airflow without sacrificing protection from the elements. Stronger materials resist rot and water damage. Older wood window frames can absorb moisture over time, leading to rot, warping, and soft spots that trap water. Once rot sets in, moisture problems often spread into surrounding walls and insulation. Many replacement windows are made from moisture-resistant materials such as vinyl, fiberglass, or treated composites. These materials do not absorb water, making them far less likely to support mold growth or structural decay. Stronger frames also maintain their shape, keeping seals tight year after year. Healthier indoor air and peace of mind. Mold doesn't just damage your home. It can trigger allergies, respiratory issues, and unpleasant odors. By preventing moisture intrusion and condensation, window replacement helps protect indoor air quality. Homeowners often notice a fresher-smelling home and fewer allergy symptoms after upgrading old windows. Beyond health benefits, new windows offer peace of mind. You can rest easy knowing your home is better protected from water damage, hidden mold growth, and costly repairs down the road. A smart investment in long-term protection. Window replacement is an investment that goes beyond energy savings and curb appeal. It's a proactive step toward protecting your home from moisture-related problems that can be expensive and stressful to fix later. By stopping moisture at its entry points, modern windows help create a drier, healthier, and more comfortable living space for you and your family.